gang. Woo! All right. I had to leave our after show chat hurricane show because it was we had problems. One of our shutters came loose. We were kind of in the. I mean, it stopped raining. Wind is still blowing over here. But it's not raining. Man, I never seen this in my neighborhood. Even for Ida or nothing, but water on our road here, coming from the neighborhood. It's over the top right here, the water. Over the, I mean, it's pretty much over the road over here. It's not bad, but I've never seen it with the ditches and the water on the road like this. Usually in the middle streets over here, sometimes it gets that way. But not over here in this side street. I mean, the wind. Just going walking. And I was on after show chat live, and we lost the shutter. It came loose, and so I had to get off there in kind of a hurry. But it's going to here. Wind is still blowing. This trampoline, now the wind is still blowing, we're not over it yet, but the trampoline is still here. There's a big tree branch. I really hope that didn't hit the shed over there. What's that? Yeah, the tree is swaying. Pine tree. I was going to go on Instagram Live or Facebook Live, but I said let me just go on live over here. And I'll put this up. I mean, I'll make the video and just put it up after. It's easier to do like this. There's a big tree branch. I don't know if you can see it from that pine tree down right over here. I really hope that didn't hit my shed. Ceiling roof because I can make a big hole in there. But hopefully it did it. What's that? It's the same one. Yeah, it is the same one. That wasn't this time. Woo! All right, that was there before. So that's good. I was worried that the tree limb fell on the roof and the garage, and that's what happened during Ida and made a big hole in there. But so far, looking around. We lost electricity, but I have my generator running. Thank goodness for my generator. So we have power. And everything looks okay. Like I said, the wind's still blowing like I don't know what. But the rain stopped right now. I think we're in the calm part. I think it's and just evaluate everything. I'm gonna go take a walk in the front. I'll show over here. But again, excuse me, I ate popcorn. And I got popcorn stuck in my throat. Let me send me a joke. So far, everything looks okay. I think we're pretty fortunate so far. Fingers crossed that the second part don't come around and get worse. But it looks good so far. Let me go take a walk to the front and let y'all see. I'll let y'all know what I see up front. All right, let me walk inside the house. Oh, I think Miss Franny's putting another towel down over here. Oh, that's in Golden Meadow. Just watching TV, and it's really bad over there in Golden Meadow, which is south of us. I don't know why they say the eye walls are reaching them, because we already got through it. Maybe at the southern end. But I'm going to go outside the front door. Woo! Front door. Mrs. Dufresne, can you come close this behind me or hold it? I don't want the door to swing around. So looking out my front door, again, the water is a little bit roads over here. Full. I see the side streets over here that usually floods, like the island and all that all flooded anyway. It was hard to get in and out, but that came out once the rain stops and the wind stops. The pumps are all turned on in the back. I mean, the water is pretty, don't come up that high. Usually, I'd say about 3 feet from the ditch. So I have about 3 feet in my yard this way. But other than that, I mean, like I said, everything else looks good. Thank goodness we got people aren't so lucky they don't have power. But we're okay. Everything was good, and just waiting for this other half to come through, and I think we did all right. Knock on wood, like I said, unless the second half comes and makes more damage. That's going to clear up a little bit, and or a few hours, or maybe by tomorrow. Should be good. Gives me an excuse if the water, we can't get out, then we're stuck over here, and we can't go to work. We do work over here at the house. So, yeah, that water. I don't think I ever saw no water that high on the road like this. Yeah, not that close to the house. Hopefully those pumps are working. If they aren't working, then they're going to come closer and closer and closer. Yeah, and the wind's blowing it this way. All right, gang. Just want to give y'all an update. If you didn't watch the after show chat, hurricane show, you really should. It was good. I had live reports from Blaze and Mr. Muscles, and it was fun and a good time, but I had to end suddenly because we had a little emergency over here. So, gang, that's an update. I'll give y'all one later on, but looks so far so good. Looks like we made it, except for that second part, and hopefully that won't be bad. I guess it's good for us. We have a generator. I guess it's not good if you don't have no generator and you don't have no electricity. Then it really sucks. But anyway, that's how it goes. All right, gang.